Okay guys, now you're going to see why I'm so hesitant in organizing my husband's closet. It is a nightmare, and he's a great guy. Great guy. I love him. He's great. He's perfect for me. But this is his closet that I'm going to attempt right now to get somewhat in order with those containers I told you I found. Now, I bought these, but they're not working for him. He hates them, so we may find some chest of drawers to put in there later. But for now, this is what it looks like. And this is some organization of his hats and ties and belts. But we're going to get this done today. Here are some of the containers that I bought, and then I bought a big container from Sam's Club, so I'll show you the progress. Okay guys, this is my husband's closet organized. This is where he puts all his hats and belts and ties. I did not change any of that. What I did do was put all his short sleeve shirts on this side, and now I have these containers. Now, I had some caps up there, and instead of putting them on the hooks, they were already on the shelf, so I just put them in there. Figured if he wanted them, he could get them from there, or if he wanted them on hooks, he would have had them on hooks. Gun, safety, hunting. We do not have any young children. Our children are grown, so that is there. We had a safe that we kept everything in, the handguns in, so when the kids were little. And of course there's no guns up here, there's just bullets. Just hunting stuff, but no guns. Guns are in the safe. Alright, and then hunting, his computer wires, some books and CDs he had on the shelf, camera, and his diabetic stuff, just some extra PJ pants and diabetic stuff that he doesn't use. Tools, rags, tape, glue, just extra tools that didn't fit in his toolbox. Backpacks and totes that he uses for hunting, fishing, etc. Another rack here for caps. And I have his long sleeve shirts here and his jackets. Now this place is for pants, but they're not there right now. I have his boots and shoes. This is for extra junk. When he has junk laying around, I admit I just put them in these bins, because it's stuff that, you know, our husbands have stuff that we don't even know what it is, and I put whatever I don't know what it is in there. And I'll show you one drawer. Paper stuff, just junk that I don't want to see, so I bought those for that. And suitcases, and that is the closet, all nice and neat and organized. All the stuff that I don't want to see is out of sight, and he's tall, so he can reach that stuff up there. And there it is. That is my husband's organized closet.